As the week-long activities marking the 2026 National Police Day celebration enters day 2, officers and men of Ijebu Ode Area Command of the Nigerian Police Force joined their counterparts nationwide on a walkathon. Anthony Gandono captured the event, reported that it was an existing to be held as the officers felt free to display their non-kinetic prowess. His report.
Led by the Assistant Area Commander Ijebu Ode Area Command, the officers and men of the Nigerian Police Force hit the streets of Ijebu Ode in a vibrant walkathon aimed at promoting fitness, unity, and stronger police-community relations. The exercise commenced at Ijebu Area Command Headquarters, winding through major routes and returned back to the starting point. Also involved in the walkathon were members of the Police Community Relations Committee Ijebu Ode Area Command. The chairman, Hakeem Mashika, said the exercise was one of the several activities lined up to commemorate National Police Day, adding that the evolving role of the Nigerian Police Force in fostering unity, peace, and security across the country can never be underestimated.
We are the bridge between the public and the police. There are some areas that police cannot really know what is happening. Since we are the community, we live within them, so we know what is happening in the community. So we are the one that will let police knows where and when they can assist the community.
The theme of this year's National Police Day 2026 is Community Partnership, Building Trust. Day 3 of the event will feature sensitization of members of the public, sensitization of driver, while the last day will feature presentation of checks to family of deceased officers across the country. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.